Wake up, y'all. It's a stationary planner haul today. I'm so excited because first off, I wanted to show a few items that I got on sale at Joann's. You know the percents are slowly moving up, right? So check out your local Joann's because Happy Planner stuff is 40% off right now, which is good. I wonder if it's ever going to move any higher. Probably not. Either way, I love that I got some new Happy Planner stuff because I haven't shopped Happy Planner in a long time. Like, I just started shopping it this month just to kind of just look and see what's in the store and to kind of do like a planner reset. So I do have a planner lineup and a planner reset video out. So check that out if you're just curious of some inspo. Today it's just gonna be like a little haul video. Just want to show some items that I got with such a good discount at Joann's, which is closing. I also want to take the time to say thank you to my members. Thank you so much for joining. You guys are so awesome. And I love the fact that you guys are further supporting Plannerzoid to help grow my channel and to also help it become even better. Like, I love the fact that my videos are becoming better quality. I know y'all clock it. So please, like, let me know down below. How is everything looking? How are you enjoying the vibes and the quality? I'm so excited. Okay, let's get to the haul because I'm talking too much. Y'all know I love to talk. So y'all, I got quite a few items and they were a really, really good price. First off, I was able to get everything pretty much half off almost because like I said, Happy Planner is 40% off right now. So most of the stuff is Happy Planner stuff with the exception of just this. I wanted to get a stamp, you know, because I am going to get back to card making, period. Okay. I have to get back to card making. I miss card making and I feel like it's just a part missing on my channel. Okay. I just feel that way. So I did get some stamps to add to my cards and I thought it'd be fun because look, handmade, like it's just more meaningful and personal. That's all. Okay, on to the good stuff. So I got a bunch of Happy Planner stuff, which I love. Like I said, 40% off. And I got it for different sizes. So I think I'm going to just go down each size. I'm going to start with the big size Happy Planner. So first off, someone mentioned a teacher layout to me. And lo and behold, I found a teacher layout in the store. So I had to snag it. And actually, I see why. I looked at the back here and wow, look at that. Actually, let's go ahead and open it. One thing I love about Happy Planner is that they have such a variety of layouts. Like I didn't even know that they had so many like layouts in their planners, which is really cool. And then with the teacher layout here, as you can see in the back, it's a bunch of compartments and it has lines. Like I really like that. I think I'm just going to just do like, you know, a couple of page flip through or something. Let's just see what the inside looks like. Well, one of my subbies recommended the teacher layout to me, and I'm so glad that I found this in the store because I really wanted to try it. Wow, look at that. This is nice. I actually like the fact it's like a vertical layout, but more like, wow, okay. And like I said, I do have a video out showing the classic Happy Planner that I recently got. That's part of my planner lineup that has the checklist layout. I can show the difference real quick. So this is the checklist layout in the classic Happy Planner that I recently got. And then this is the teacher layout in the big size Happy Planner that I recently got. And look at the size difference. That's quite a size difference, huh? I really do love the teacher layout because of all the different compartments. That's like amazing. So it's like 7 different things you can write about. I want to use it. However, I feel like since I did just purchase this, I feel like I need to use it. Like I'm not going to waste my money. So what I love is that this is undated. So since it's undated, that means I can hold on to it and use it whenever I feel like it. So, I don't know, I might hold it to next year. I'm thinking about doing that. I do that sometimes. But yeah, this is a nice planner. I like this. The dividers are so cute, even though I'm not a teacher. But you know what's so funny? Fun fact, I actually did go to college originally to become a teacher. I come from a family of teachers, and they all teach different grade levels and do different kinds of teaching, such as, you know, teacher, paraprofessional, you know, there's different elements of teaching. So I thought I was going to be a teacher too. I thought I was going to be a music teacher, but I don't know, things changed, but it's just cool that I have a teacher planner. It's just so funny how teaching always finds a way to circle back around to me, even when I'm not looking for it to. In addition to the teacher layout planner, which is the big size, I also went ahead and purchased this because it has the schedule element on there, which I really like. I wanted to go ahead and get it just in case I did use the big planner that is already there. Like sometimes I just future proof stuff and just buy stuff. I don't even need to buy stuff, and I don't know why I bought stuff. But I totally love the fact that it has the scheduling side to it. So I thought it would be useful, but this is pretty much how it looks. I didn't want to open it and have a whole bunch of loose paper everywhere. So there's that. But I thought this was nice. So I will probably be using this. I'm not sure. So next, I have some classic Happy Planner stuff here that I wanted to show. So I have these filler sheets as well. I love this because it has an hourly layout. And if you see my last video, I mentioned maybe, wasn't sure yet, mentioned maybe putting an hourly layout in my planner. So the fact that I came across this is perfect. Now I don't have to draw it out or figure out how I want to set it up. Like it's already kind of set up. So I really can't wait to use this. And then here's how the back looks since I'm not opening it. So there's that. And then I do have this budget planner here. It's just an extension. So, it comes with a few, dividers and stuff that you can use, pockets. The funny part about this, I keep coming around to this too. Every year I find a way to end up with this. I don't know how, but you know what? I'm hoping this year could be the year that I actually use it and put it to use the proper way, only because I'm always franking planning, and I'm always just trying different ways to use things. So I cut it all the way up, but this time I'm hoping to just use it for the proper use. Because y'all, in this day and age, budgeting is important, and we need to budget at this point because it's a mess, okay? It's a whole mess. So I'm glad I came across this, and 40% off. But I love these. I think these will be nice to add in my planner, so I can't wait to do that. And then y'all, I'm so excited because I am going to be doing a plan with me in my next video for the Classic Happy Planner. I know many people are looking for inspo and ideas, so I'm excited about that. Okay, let's go ahead and show my last items. They're just Happy Planner sticker books, and I got a whole bunch of them. So I don't know if I'm going to be flipping through all of them, to be honest, but I wanted to show the ones that I did get because first off, I love the fact that 40% off, so I couldn't pass it up. But also, I've been needing some more like seasonal kind of sticker books. I do like Happy Planner's seasonal books, so I'll say that. So I did try to snag a few different kinds. I think, where is it at? Hold on, Working Days. There we go. I have a couple of different ones here. So I have the Cheerful Seasons and the Seasonal, because I just love their seasonal stuff. And just a quick glance. This is super cute. I am in love with these sticker books. I'm thinking about doing separate flip throughs, but honestly, I'm not even sure yet. Not sure. Y'all know what I came across? One of my Happy Planner sticker books, the stickers are cut off completely. Like they are cut badly. I just came across that and I'm mad because I had the sticker book forever. So I'm just saying all this, y'all, to check your sticker books, okay? Check your sticker books when you buy them because you don't know what kind of flaw is in there or if someone has taken stickers out of there, because people do that. They'll take stickers or sticker pages out of sticker books. So check your stuff, your planner stuff, before you leave the store when you buy it. I got this memory keeping book too. I thought this was cute. I'm actually a little worried, like I said, because see, this is why I said to check. This is why I said to check before buying. Is this even part of the sticker book? Isn't this crazy? Either way, it's final sale, so I'm not going to give it back, and it doesn't bother me, but yeah, pages are ripping apart. You definitely have to check it before you leave, and I thought I checked it thorough enough, but I'm not bothered. I'm not, but usually I would be, depending on the severity. But yeah, I just want to show what I got in my little haul. I love my haul. I think it's really nice, and I just cannot wait to use all these items, give it a try, and I'm wondering what the next plan with me should be. I'm thinking about doing like a springy kind of theme. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love this haul. I think it's going to be so fun doing some planner spreads and showing you guys some inspo in the classic. Don't forget, I am still doing the micros, so we're not letting the micro go. That's my baby, okay? So stay tuned for the next video, which will be a deco with me, which so excited. And I want to thank my members again for joining. And I want to thank my Zoidies for watching. Bye, y'all. Remember to be cute, crafty, and creative.